Hello, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm teaching the US Top 40 and I'm on song number 23, Belong Together by Mark Ambor. This song is in, you could say D. I guess it's in D. First chord's B minor, but that's the relative minor of D major. So the chords you need are B minor, D, G, D. I know sleep is friends, I know sleep is friends with death, but maybe I should get some rest, 'cause I've been out here working all damn day. D to A, B minor, blueberries and butterflies, this pretty things that greet my eyes. D, A, B minor, when you call and I say I'm on my way. We're going to the chorus, okay? 1, 2. That's what he says, and then the chorus is you and me, you and B minor to G. Me belong together. D to A, like cold iced tea. B minor to G, and warmer weather. D to A, and again B minor, where we lay out late underneath the pines. D, and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together all the time. And then we got the post-chorus. B minor, D, G, D, A. Let's do it again. Stay on G that time. Verse 2. Spilling wine and homemade drinks, we throw a cheers, the worries sink. Damn it, it's so good to be alive. We know that we don't get much, but then again it's just enough to always find a way for a good time. And then we got the chorus again. You and me belong together like cold iced tea and warmer weather, where we lay out late underneath the pines, and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together. Then we have a bridge which goes to G. This love is all we need. B minor to A. Play the right bass note. Oh, we've got so much. G, and oh, you and me. A. That's it, very short bridge. Let's do it again. G. This love is all we need. Oh, and we got so much. You and me. Oh, chorus. You and me belong together, etc., etc. Where we lay out underneath the pines, and we still have fun, and the sun won't shine. You and me belong together all the time. Outro. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Hey, it goes on. It goes on and on and on and on and on and on. D, A, D, finish. That was, what was it? Belong Together by Mark Ambor. And the next one is song number 24, which is back to Sabrina Carpenter. Wow, again. So she's in here with number 3, Please, 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 which was, I believe, number 2 the other day. And Espresso, which is number 4. And she's in here again with 24. Taste, Sabrina Carpenter. I'm not sure if I've heard it before. I'm going to go listen to it now, and then I'll be back with another one. If you like the video, then like the video. If you didn't like the video, then don't like the video. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll get earlier videos, I guess, or something. You'll get them in your feed, magic. And that would be very much appreciated. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.